Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock a phone to open a specific app using a fingerprint. So this feature allows you to assign different fingerprints to a different task. So specifically launching designated apps directly upon unlocking. So it turns your fingerprint sensor into a shortcut system, transforming how you interact with the phone right from the lock screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here's an example. I want to go ahead and use my index finger. When I unlock it, I want to go ahead and open up Amazon shopping app. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and open up the quick panel menu, go into settings, scroll down and find lock screen and AOD, tap on screen lock and biometrics, enter in my PIN number. Next, I'll tap on fingerprints. And here I want to go ahead and register my index finger. So as you can see, currently all my fingerprints are full. So I can go ahead and choose one. You can remove this for now and tap on add. And I'll go ahead and register my index finger. So now that's registered, tap done. I'll go ahead and rename this to index. Now I can go ahead and tap on home. Now I'll go ahead and open up the modes and routine app. Go ahead and tap on routine, tap on the plus sign, and then I'll go ahead and use the if statement. So if I unlock with fingerprint, so my index finger, I want to go ahead and open an app. So in the then statement, I'll go ahead and search for an app. Apps. Open app or do an application action. And then here I want to go ahead and choose Amazon application. So here I'm open Amazon shopping. Tap done. You can go ahead and choose other actions as well related to Amazon. So you can do a search, orders, cart, or deals. However, I just want to go ahead and open up Amazon app, save it, give it a name, and then done. And then go ahead now, lock my device. Now when I go ahead and unlock it with my fingerprint, with the index finger especially, as you can see, Amazon will open up here. So it gives you instant access to key apps like camera, notes, or WhatsApp the moment you unlock, saving time and reducing the need to swipe or search. So there you go guys, that is how to unlock a phone to open specific app using your fingerprint on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.